AK-47. Let's start from the beginning. We're talking about one of the most famous and instantly recognizable weapons in the world. The AK-47 is among the most widely used infantry rifles ever made. According to official sources, it has been adopted by military and security forces across dozens of countries, especially in Eastern Europe, Asia, and Africa. Today, it's estimated that more than 70 million AK-47s and their variants are in civilian and military circulation worldwide. Before we continue, one question. What do you think turned the AK-47 into a worldwide legend for decades? Write your answer in the comments. We'll reveal the answer at the end of the video. The story of the AK-47 begins in the late 1940s in the Soviet Union. The man behind this design was Mikhail Kalashnikov. His goal was clear: to create a simple, reliable infantry rifle that could be mass-produced with ease. Those efforts eventually led to the birth of the AK-47. The design was completed in 1947, and it was quickly adopted by the Soviet military. Over time, the rifle spread across Warsaw Pact countries and Allied regions. Throughout the Cold War, it became the standard infantry weapon in many parts of the world. While Western nations pursued different design philosophies, the AK-47 held its ground. Its simplicity and durability allowed it to outlast trends, technologies, and even political systems. These traits turned it into more than a military rifle. They made it a globally recognized industrial product. The AK-47's straightforward design also made something else possible. It could be produced in different countries, in different factories, and across different decades without fundamentally changing its structure. That consistency is one of the reasons it has remained largely unchanged for so long. Behind the AK-47's longevity lies more than history alone. Ease of production and industrial logic played a critical role.
From the very beginning, this rifle was designed to be manufactured using the same basic principles, even in factories with varying levels of technology. That adaptability became one of the key reasons for its rapid global spread.
The industrial journey of the AK-47 begins with raw materials arriving at the factory. Steel alloys extracted from mines are refined, sorted, and transported to production facilities. At this stage, they are not yet weapons. They are simply industrial materials waiting to be shaped.
In modern factories, production is carefully planned using advanced digital systems. Each component is modeled on screen, with dimensions and compatibility calculated in detail. Long before physical manufacturing begins, the AK-47 is built countless times in the digital world. Once planning is complete, automated production lines come to life. Computer-controlled machines process metal components in a precise industrial sequence. The process is fast, consistent, and largely automated.
To keep production efficient and uninterrupted, different components are formed simultaneously across multiple production lines. Nothing moves along a single path. This multi-line structure ensures both speed and quality control. Once shaped, the components undergo surface treatments designed to increase durability. At this stage, the focus is not appearance, but resistance. Resistance to wear, resistance to corrosion, resistance to extreme conditions. Next comes quality control. Here, not only individual parts are inspected, but the entire production system is monitored. Every step is checked against predefined standards. Then comes testing. Completed AK-47s are subjected to durability tests that simulate extreme environmental conditions. These tests exist for one reason: to confirm that the rifle will function when conditions are at their worst. And now the answer to the question we asked at the beginning becomes clear. The answer can be summed up in a single word: reliability. What made the AK-47 legendary was not precision engineering or elegant design. It was the unshakable belief that it would work even when everything else failed. Simplicity was chosen over complexity, durability over precision. And that choice transformed the AK-47 into more than just a weapon. It became an industrial symbol that has stood the test of time for decades.
In the end, the AK-47 is not just a weapon. It is the result of an industrial production philosophy that has remained unchanged for generations.